Hello, and today I will be teaching you how to make sugar-free ginger molasses cookies. These cookies are a delicious snack for when you want something sweet, but you don't want to overload on sugar. I've taken my Aunt Megan's ginger molasses cookies recipe and switched out refined sugar for this less chemical natural Monkfruit sugar. Let's get started.
Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a stand mixer on a high-speed setting, cream together butter and monk fruit sugar until fluffy. Beat in the egg, molasses, and vanilla at medium speed. Do not overbeat. Mix on low speed your flour, cinnamon, ginger, baking soda, salt, and cloves into your mixture until batter forms. Batter should be sticky, but firm enough to form into balls. Roll into 2 centimeter balls. Place 3 centimeters apart on an ungreased baking sheet, or I like to use a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes until lightly brown. If not done in 8 minutes, put back in the oven for 1 minute at a time until done. Remove from the oven and set for 2 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Store in an airtight container once cooled. Enjoy!